this Academy demo, we're going to do a quick run-through of Unleashed Marketing Accelerator. If you're already using Sales Growth to manage your pipeline and send quotes, Marketing Accelerator is your next step. It adds lead capture, campaign management, and two powerful analytics tools, the Growth Engine and the Magic Matrix, that connect your marketing activity directly to your sales pipeline. In this video, we'll walk through each of these 4 areas so you know what's available and where to find it. Let's start with inquiries. An inquiry is an unqualified lead, a phone call, a website contact, or an inbound request. You log it here quickly, assign it to someone, and qualify it later. From the inquiries board, you can see every open lead at a glance. Move them through the stages with the inquiries pipeline, which you can access from the drop-down here. And when one is ready, convert it into an opportunity. That opportunity then appears straight in your sales pipeline. If you want to capture leads directly from your website, Enquiry web forms let you embed a form that feeds submissions automatically into this board. No manual entry needed. To set it up, click on the global create icon at the top of the left-hand menu, click on Enquiry form, then enter in the name, who it's assigned to, and the campaign activity. Next, the Growth Engine. This dashboard pulls together all your data and organizes it across 7 growth strategies: attract, sell, close, onboard, order value, order frequency, and retention. Each strategy shows how your business is performing and benchmarks that performance against similar businesses using upper and lower quartile comparisons, so you can see at a glance where you're ahead and where there's room to improve. Use it regularly to decide where to focus your team's efforts. And now, campaigns. Let's open one I created earlier. A campaign is a marketing initiative. It has a name, a budget, a target, and a start and end date. Within each campaign, you create campaign activities, the individual actions that make up the campaign. Add these within the campaign itself by navigating to the Activities tab, then click Add. This will automatically pull through the parent campaign and who it's managed by. Once you've filled out the details, the activity description, the activity type, such as an email send, a call list, or an event, the cost, and the target start and end date, you can then click Create to add this to the campaign. And finally, the Magic Matrix. Access this cross-sell analysis tool in the Sales section of the module. This grid shows your customers down one side and your product categories across the top. Each cell is color-coded to show whether a customer has bought from that category, has an open opportunity, has been marketed to, or hasn't been approached at all. You can refine this grid view with the filters at the top. To use it, click Build Awareness. In step 1, the filters in your grid will pull through, but you can amend these here. In step 2, you can configure the awareness levels for the product categories you want to promote. And then in step 3, the matrix will pull together the customers that match these filters so that you can then add them directly to a campaign activity, all without leaving this screen. Let's check out the module's integrations. In Settings, then Integrations. Marketing Accelerator connects with MailChimp, Klaviyo, and Spotler, so you can sync your contact list to your email platform directly from a campaign activity, run your send, and have engagement data flow back into the module. As contacts respond and move forward, you can convert them into opportunities. The contact's details carry across, and it appears straight in your sales pipeline ready for your team, keeping your marketing and sales activity connected end to end. If we head to Sales and then Open Opportunities, you can see the newly converted opportunities sitting here in the list, with key details such as the status, the value, the estimated sale close date, and the company name, ready to progress through your pipeline. And that's how Marketing Accelerator works in practice. In this quick overview, you've seen how to capture inbound leads with inquiries, track your performance across 7 growth strategies in the Growth Engine, identify cross-sell opportunities, and build campaign audiences in the Magic Matrix, and manage your marketing initiatives end-to-end with campaigns.
Thanks for watching.